Here is HGLRC Tech.
Welcome to the installation tutorial of Nblade Max 5-inch DC.
Bottom plate installation. Insert the M318 screws into the holes on the smooth side as shown in the video. Place the LED covers in LED plate in sequence. Middle plate and arm installation. Insert the front and rear arms onto the bottom plate screws and secure them. Install the middle plate. Pay attention to the front and back side. Flip to the back side. Use M312 screws to secure the arms. Bottom plate.
Installation complete.
ESC installation. Flip to the back side. Insert the M330 screws to the ESC mounting horse. Insert the M318 screws into the holes on the smooth side as shown in the video. Make sure the standoff seated into the carbon plate until the power kit. Find the capacitor position on the frame. Slide the heat shrink tubing over the ESC power leads, then solder it. Secure the wire sleeve to the arm. Motor pad notch facing backward. Motor pad screws in 3/8 arm screws in 3/6. O4 video transmitter installation. Remove the bottom cover of the O for air unit. Replace the IPEX to SMA adapter cable. Do not pull on the connector. Reassemble the air unit cover. Insert the air unit ribbon cable. The S-bus wire on the ribbon cable needs to be removed when the transmitter isn't degenerate. Install the VTX heat dissipation aluminum mount. Pay attention to the orientation when placing the VTX. Secure the VTX using M310 VTX screws. Installation done. VTX installation done. Remount GPS and receiver installation. Install the receiver as shown in the video. Prepare M323 aluminum standoffs too. Place the receiver at the rear of the frame. Secure from the bottom using M38 screws. Install the M323 aluminum standoffs on top. Place the GPS into the protective housing. Insert the cable. Prepare the tail mount. Use M28 screws to secure the power connector to the tail mount. Install the VTX adapter cables on both sides of the rear mount. Tighten the lock nuts. Mount the GPS onto the tail mount. Insert the M222 aluminum standoff through the GPS base. Route the cable through the reserved opening in the base. Secure the GPS base using M29 screws. Finally, snap the tail mount into the frame. Flight controller installation. HGLRC H7 for 38 seconds mini V1 flight controller. Wiring diagram shown here for screenshot and reference. Note: please insert the 6-pin cable to the left when using the DJI unit.
The air unit requires soldering the corresponding pads to provide power.
Proceed after checking the ribbon cable is correct. Secure with M3 nuts to complete installation. Side plates and LED cable installation.
Take out the 3-in-1 LED board cable. Insert one 3-pin connector into the bottom LED board. Take out the side plate.
Insert the cable.
Take out the side plate.
Connect as shown in the video and install onto the frame. Install the camera.
Choose your preferred angle and secure it using M7 screws.
Top plate installation. First, install the BLE adapter board. Secure using M2 for screws. Mount the BLE adapter board under the top plate. Use countersunk M2 for screws.
Install the action camera mount. Connect the cable between the flight controller and the BLE adapter board.
The connection to the flight controller is shown in the diagram. Connect BLE to the LED strip. Organize the cables neatly.
Place the strip in advance before installing the top plate.
Secure with M3/6 countersunk screws to complete installation. Install the antennas. Nblade Nightblade Max 5-inch DC installation complete. Thank you for watching.